it's the Wide-Eyed Wanderer and welcome back to my channel! So today is a holiday! So if it's a holiday, it means another episode of my Quarantrip Series! We are going kung saan pumupunta yung mga nature lovers here in ILOILO. But actually, it's gonna be my first time, and actually, I'm not really familiar with this place. Basta yung nangyari lang is that I told my tito that I wanna go somewhere because it's the holiday and I just don't wanna lie around in my bed. He offered to bring me to this place. So if you want to see today's adventure, please keep on watching. We are now on our way to our destination. Do you want to find out where we're going? So, ito po yung promotor natin ngayong araw. Say hi, Tito Earl.
Hello.
And this is my Tita Hana. And my cousin Nana. Say hi, Nana. Hi is there. The very beautiful Inday. Guys, she is still single. No, Inday, no? Ayun, si Inday. So, Tito Earl, saan tayo pupunta?
Sa IGTUBLE, Tubungan.
Wow, IGTUBLE, Tubungan. Yes, that's the name of the place we're going. So, tingnan natin guys ha. Hindi ko alam, wala akong expectations whatsoever. Stay tuned para makita nyo kung ano ang pupuntahan natin. Hi guys! So we are already here after a very long and winding road. Like I was holding my breath the whole time. But ayun. Yan, single po yan guys ha. Ayan. Ito yung photographer namin dito. Tita, say hi.
Hi!
Hi Nini, what can you say about the place?
I like it.
You like it? Why?
I don't know.
You like it?
Yes.
You like the mountains? Yeah? There. So guys, sabi nila, this is the Little Batanes of Iloilo daw. And yeah, it's pretty close. I've been there. Hi, say hi everyone! So Tita, what can you say about this place?
This is really nice
So,
because kita mo na talaga ang top ng
mountain.
mountain.
And then, you don't have to climb or you
Yes.
don't have to walk. You can just actually drive yourself to here and then you can enjoy this view of the mountain.
The scenery is really good.
Yes. Tita Earl, wearing your yellow shirt.
Yes.
What can you say?
Very, very nice. Nature.
There.
I like it
Why? What do you like about it?
because
Because? Oh my god!
I can see the mountain.
Okay, it's not every day that you get to see the mountains and we get to experience it today. Look at the view. So actually this is Iloilo province. There you can see, I don't know, probably that's Gimbal, Tito Earl. It's Gimbal over there. And here you have the mountains. And Guimaras is also way over there. There, look, the rice terraces, just like in Banawe. So guys, tingnan nyo, ang dami mga nagmumotor. There, ito yung mga itsura ng mga taong kakatapos lang umakyat ng bundok na napakaliit na bundok. Inday, anong masasabi?
It's so nice.
It's so nice, you're very good. Malamig ba?
Yes.
Oh my god, they're freezing. So it's actually cold here.
Kaya
Tita, what are you buying?
These are sweet potatoes.
Wow.
The violet version, look.
fresh ninang.
Yes, look.
Wow, fresh from the mountains. Fresh there. So now we have this, we have peanuts. Ayan guys, nagte-trek na po talaga tayo ngayon. Maliit na trek lang naman to. And then kailangan natin kumanta. Sa kabukiran, walang kalungkutan. Natatakot ako guys kasi baka ano mangyari sa atin dito. Yan, so meron sila dito mga for rent na cottages. So 350 pesos daw day use and 650 overnight. Tita, anong sasabi mo dito sa... Ayun guys, sa for rent siya.
Hiningal ako.
Pero free lang sa amin ni Manang na binigay ito. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng view mo dyan, tita. Oh, ayan.
Yes, and it's
Pagod na pagod.
and
With the
the view there
mountains.
is also beautiful.
The mountains. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung view. As in, kabukiran talaga siya. At dito sa kabukiran, ay walang kalungkutan. Ayan. This is our last stop for this trip. There and there, look at the view. So yes guys, approved na approved talaga. It's only an hour away from ILOILO City. Just go here at IGTUBLE, Tubungan to get in touch with nature. Breathe some fresh air. And there. So if you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more of my Quarantrip Series. So guys, it's the Wide-Eyed Wanderer, and see you again next time!